inkproducts.com has just released its new refillable cartridge station for the Epson Artisan 1430. The station will be filled right in the printer, and you'll be able to reset the ink levels with our new combo chip. And what you're going to do, bring the cartridges over and unplug the printer. Now you're going to be removing the cartridge lid. You cannot leave the cartridge lid on because Epson has added some more plastic pieces, and that would damage the switch. So what you want to do, after it's unplugged, take out all the cartridges. Now always save the cartridges. Okay, now you're going to take a flat blade screwdriver, and on the right hand side you're going to move out the hinge. You're going to bend out that hinge, get it off there so you can take the cover off. Now you got a 50-50 chance. Sometimes they break the hinge, sometimes they don't. But there's no other way. You have to take that off, whether you're going to use a continuous ink system or our refillable cartridge station. You're going to go right on the side, and you're going to slowly, we'll show you in the instructions how to pry that hinge off. Don't try to take it off on the left side, only on the right side. Okay, now you can see I've got it wedged in there. Taking it off. Take your time. It takes a little time to do this. There you go. Okay. Now we want to pick it out of there. Don't want to leave it there. Okay. I'll bring this back. You can unlatch it. Take it off. Gotta work it out the other end over here. There you go. Now we got it out. Now, that's what you took off. What usually breaks is this little, there it is. That little piece right there breaks off because they lock it in. So if you have to put it back on, just use a little instant glue on this top piece here and just slide it back on, should you ever have to put it back on. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the machine, plug it in first, and then turn on the machine, let it go back and forth, then we're going to put in the station. Okay, now I've turned it on. Now, like I said, even if you bought a continuous ink system, you'd still have to take this lid off. But here's the plastic that they've added right in here. Now this goes in the printer, and you're not going to take it out. It has our new poppet valve, so it can't leak. It has an oversized micro screen. We don't use a needle, no steel needle. We give you these special refill tips. Okay, now I've turned on the printer. You're going to get the light. Touch the button. All the lights are lit up, and that's going to come over. Okay, now I'm going to place a complete set of cartridges in at the same time. Now push down. Make sure you hear them click in. Don't take this off. Now push down. Make sure they all click in. Don't take this bar off. But this is very important. You need to take the shipping plugs, because when you get it, it's going to be pre-filled. So after it's in, you can take out these plugs. They've always got to stay out. And then, when you got to fill it, you're going to fill it up here on the top. Take the plug out. It's recessed there so ink can't spill all over. So when you're filling it, the little ink comes to the top. It's not going to spill all over. So if I took out the light, see how it's recessed? So then you can wipe it off, put the plug in. Okay, now I can touch cartridge button, and it's going to go in and check all the cartridges. Lights went out. Okay, all the lights went out. That's charging up. This system, just like our continuous ink system, has the newest chip available. So Epson's firmware cannot interfere with it. If you've done any downloads, that's not a problem, because this is the latest chip. Now it's doing is charging now. That's it. You're done. That's how easy it is to do it. Now when one of the lights come on, you bring them over, take the plug out, fill them up, press the button, all the colors go back up again, so you don't have to keep filling every 10 minutes filling a different cartridge. You may as well fill them all, reset, and then you're good to print.